Welcome. This is Laura Foster with Soul's Healing Humanity. This is a brief Yoga Nidra session, a little vacation from your life. So I invite you to find a comfortable position, either lying on a mat or a comfortable chair or even your bed. And put that to-do list on the shelf, baby. We are going to get deeply relaxed. We're going to drop in quickly. All you need to do is to follow my voice. Allow your physical body to respond directly and non-mentally to my words. Allow any disturbances, external or internal, to draw you more deeply within. Now shift from thinking and doing to feeling and being. Begin to drop into that sense of stillness and peace of your third eye, the space between your eyebrows. So if you can feel that vortex of energy right above your third eye. Let go of any thoughts, worry, or tension. Breathe in fully. And with an exhale, deep sigh. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale. And exhale with a sigh. Inhale. And exhale. Begin to feel that deep sense of contentment and peace in your heart space. Now we would drop quickly into a deeper sense of relaxation. I'm going to guide you through a body rotation. No need to move. Just gather all your attention and place it where I suggest. Bring all your attention to the space above your head, to the crown of your head, to the space between your eyebrows, to your right eye, to your left eye, both eyes together, tip of your nose, your lips, inside your right cheek, inside your left cheek, pit of your throat, your right shoulder, right upper arm, dipping in at the elbow, right lower arm, right hand, right thumb, pointer finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger. Feel the energy of your right hand. Bring it back up your arm to the pit of your throat, to your left shoulder, left upper arm. Dipping in at the elbow, left lower arm, left hand, left thumb, left pointer finger, left middle finger, left ring finger, left little finger. Feel the energy, which is your left hand. Gather that energy and bring it back up your left arm. Focus your attention on your heart space. Take a few breaths in and out from your heart space. Move your awareness to the solar plexus, the seat of your power, to your navel center, to your pelvis, to your right hip, right upper leg, kissing that right knee, right lower leg, and gather any stress and let it ooze from your right heel, right big toe, right second toe, right third toe, right fourth toe, and right piggy toe, sole of the right foot. Gather that energy and bring it back up your leg to the center of your pelvis, to the left hip, left upper leg, kissing that left knee, left lower leg. And now gather any worry, any fret, any fear, any stress, and let that drip and drain from your left heel. Surrender. Left big toe, left second toe, left third toe, left fourth toe, left piggy toe. Sole of the left foot. Draw that energy back up that leg. And focus your attention on your right glute, on your left glute, on your low back, mid back, upper back, back of the neck, back of the head, crown of the head, space above your head. Relax so completely. Allow your silent observer just to float, just to be aware. Permit your inner healer to resolve any issues that you may be having. Your body is highly intelligent. Rest in that silent awareness. So I want you to listen to what you need. Perhaps you just need to stay in this delicious state longer. Do so. But if you are ready, begin to introduce some gentle movements, wiggling fingers and toes. Perhaps bringing your knees towards your chest and rocking from side to side, nurturing yourself. Maybe you want to roll over onto your right side into a fetal position and give yourself a hug. You are doing an incredible job. Don't let anybody else tell you otherwise. You've cultivated a deep sense of stillness and magic. Keep that as long as you can. I am proud of you. Thank you for doing the work. Until next time, I love all you humans.